How to download and install a Plex app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can download and install the Plex app on your device, whether it is Android or iPhone. The first thing you want to do is open Play Store on your device if you are on the Android device, or open App Store if you're on the iOS device. Now tap on the search bar. Then you want to search for Plex. This is the app that you should be looking for. Plex is a free streaming app bringing you over 50,000 movies and free channels. You can watch popular TV series and news, sports, kids show, international entertainment, and much more in Plex. You can go through the description and also the reviews over here. Now, if you want to download this, tap on the install option. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, it will take some time for the Plex app to be downloaded on your device. Once it is downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the Open option. Now you can tap on the sign in option or create an account by tapping on sign up for free, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.